I mean, ideally we take out this internal before anything. Like in this 4-hour gap, we just come back up, take this, and maybe go lower. But
I don't know. I'm pretty neutral.
yeah,
I want to see how we react because we're about to inverse this 5. We took off, or not took off. We took London lows off market open. ES already took London highs.
now if this 5 inverts, you could take this, and your break even is just that next high. But it's not really delivering off anything substantial. So I don't love it. Yeah, it's already about to take my break even, so I definitely can't take it now. I kind of wanted to take something into this gap, like this internal.
Mm.
But if we gotta wait for it to get hit, then that's fine.
About to take London highs on Nasdaq. Yes, we just took out an hourly high. Inverse the 5.
Yeah, I think this 5-minute open, this gap we're forming, is gonna be my new condition. Because
Yeah.
if we respect this gap, and I find an entry to take it up, I'll probably try to take it up into this, 4-hour.
Hmm.
But if we invert this 5, then there's like clear low resistance below. Yeah, you could just take it lower.
Yeah.
But I'll make this 5 my condition. Because at that point, if we form this 5 and then we make it like a 1-minute inversion out of it, then yeah, I could take that 1-minute inversion to a higher time frame gap. Just we're kind of in the middle of nowhere. Like we're just like
Yeah.
in between, so it's hard for me to. And alright, we gotta make a 5-minute. So
Nope.
Hennessy might just take this 1-minute inversion here. Because there's really no reason for us to revisit this 4-hour gap. We already tapped into it, so. Yeah, there's a 3-minute gap right here. If it closes. I mean, you took out this, it took out some internal liquidity. We invert this 3. I could take it and then just look for displacement and go break even at like this body candle. I just have to see if this inverts.
Yeah.
Just really not like, what are we projecting off of right now? Just the thing. Really nothing. I don't hate this because the break even is pretty clear. Just needs to invert. Technically did, but I don't love that close. I can't take
See
it.
this new 1 minute we get off those.
Yeah. Because this 3 minute technically did invert, and then if we disrespect this 1 minute, it's a pretty good condition. I just would hate for it to be Friday where we just piano key out and every inversion gets re-inverted and it's just dog shit. But this is moving pretty good. I just want to be on the right side of it. Problem is, I just don't know where I would even take this to. There's no way we're clearing out all this LRL. It rejected right off the 0.5 of the fib on the 30 minute. It's probably the same on the hourly. There's no reason for me to check. If we invert this 1 minute, it's just... At that point, I'm just either waiting for this internal 4-hour gap to get reswept and then we see, or I'm just done. Because this 3 minute technically inverted. This 1 minute is now about to invert, so I don't. It's not delivered. Yeah. It's not respecting any higher time frame gap. Like we're just in the middle of nowhere. So I mean, we are like right at the 0.5 of the fib. Yeah, this is... There was no 5 minute. I'm so glad I didn't try that short. I would have gotten fucking fried. Like, technically didn't invert this 1 minute yet. There's like 1 minute is still here. But, I don't know, it's not really relevant to me. Just V-shaping out.
Yeah. I really think it wants this 4-hour internal high. I think there was news at like 9:45 or something. No, I lied. It was at 4:30 in the morning. We have news at 10:30, 11:30. I mean, I'm going to be off by then, but... I mean... This 1 minute is still... No, it technically got inverted, but I'm not taking longs here. I mean, that high is your break even. I don't hate it. It's definitely something I would take. Yeah, I don't hate this long. The break even is pretty clear at this intraday high. And then if it pushes up into that gap, it's a pretty good take profit area. But you would have went break even. Like, you would go break even once this high gets broken, which it probably is going to. But again, I'm not taking that because we're inverting inversion. It's just not. We're not delivering off anything.
Yeah, I
Like,
mean,
there's
it's a no news Monday, you know.
like there is a 30-minute gap here that we re-tapped into, we reswept, so that is a higher time frame gap with this lower time frame inversion of this 1 minute being inverted, and then your break even is just this high. I actually don't hate this. This high gets broken, I just go break even. I mean, you know, if ES takes out that high.
The 1 minute high?
Yeah, like this, like high
Yeah, I
day.
got you.
Yeah, these equal highs look so good right now. I might have gotten in too early though.
Took out the
Nice, nice, nice. Break even there. If it comes back down, I don't really care. I just kind of want to see it go now. Where's one?
yeah.
Where's 1-to-1? Is this 1-to-1? I'm gonna let it sit at. If it goes to 1-to-1, I'm gonna try out aggressively. Cause then it's, you know, nice take profit Monday, and then I
Yeah.
just pretty much take it as a scalp for what it is. I just need to see volume come in and just push this through. Like the next like 3-4 candles just need to be up, and I feel really good about it. But if it just comes back down on my entry, because this is what I was looking for earlier. I was looking for a long into the short. Like I was looking for a long to then take shorts off of the this gap. But there's no guarantee we come back into this gap, so I might just take my base it at this 1-to-1. Depends on how aggressive we push through it. Oh man. Fuck, dude, it hit 1-to-1, and now it's gonna wick me out probably. Yeah, it just did.
And I
Damn.
mean, we might come into this 1 minute. Yes, I respect it. Take those highs.
Yeah, there's no this internal looks good for us to come back into. I actually like it a lot. This 1 minute is interesting. Yeah, my break even was pretty good. 1-to-1 would have been nice, but like I said, this there technically is no reason for us to come back into this 1 hour, but I do like that it is. Sorry, this 4 hour, but I do like that it is an internal swing and a gap. So if we take that out, it's either liquidity back down or liquidity to continue up higher. So
I think once we or on ES, if we take these relative equal highs, that's gonna be a time where we start reversing.
my entry and trade,
Because it is
my entry and trade was pretty good there. I had to go break even at the recent high day. There's no other place for me to go break even. I could have just held it, but if PA craps out, I'm just fried.
yeah.
I kind of wanted to just see it go. I maybe could have just taken the 1-to-1 hit there, but I was confident it was going to at the very minimum go break even. Like that was so obvious, especially once we started forming like relative equals there and it just ripped through.
Yeah.
There's just no gap forming. Like we're respecting this 1 minute, sure, but we're about to make a 15. Could be our new condition. I'm just gonna sit on this 15-minute time frame. Let's see if this gap forms. And if this gap doesn't form and we just run up to these highs, then I'm just gonna wrap it up. Cause I think ideal situation is we come up like something like this. We come up, take out this internal, form a gap, and then come down and wipe all this LRL at some point.
Yeah.
Or we form this 15, take a tap into this 15 to then take this liquidity inside this gap.
Yeah.
My problem is that we don't really have a reason to revisit this gap, but just by looking at the chart, it looks as if it wants to revisit it. Does that make sense?
Mhm.
Like,
Yeah.
just based on price action, we are gravitating towards this internal. And if that's the case, I'm more confident in taking longs into it than,
Mhm.
at least right now. That could definitely change if we get bearish price action, because I would love to take out this LRL. Like the short, in my opinion, looks a little bit better,
Yeah.
but that's why I agree with you when you said you were neutral, because I'm also, there's really nothing to take.
Yeah.
Like the only things I'm going to take are things that are going to push me to break even almost immediately. And that 1 minute inversion looks pretty good.
Okay.
I mean, NQ just made like a little bit more relative. Did this SMT? Alright, hold up. NQ. Yes. Put this in the 1 minute also. It technically did SMT, but I don't really give a fuck about that.
I'll just stream that. We're about to respect.
There's a 3 minute on ES.
Yeah. We're respecting it.
This 15 minute didn't form. Might just be fried. And those relative equals. Like it wants to just almost like snail run up into this gap. There's no. It's not giving us any entry.
Yeah. We have a 1 minute on ES. Three inverses.
I don't think I can take any. At this point, I don't think I can take any shorts until we re-hit this internal. Oh, I forgot to check. Does it say I'm live on Discord? Or no?
On Discord?
Oh no, it doesn't. It doesn't.
No. It's 1 minute.